Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to rotate a TradingView chart. Open your chart and locate the toolbar, then pick the Rotate tool or right-click for options to rotate. Click and drag to rotate freely or enter exact degrees for precise alignment. Use snapping or grid options to keep angles neat, and learn to reset or save rotated layouts for quick reuse across your workspace. Hold Shift to constrain rotation to tidy increments, and try click and drag for fast visual adjustments. Use arrow keys to nudge the angle when the rotate control is focused, giving precise, tiny changes. Combine rotation with zoom or pan so your rotated view still shows key levels and indicators. Save snapshots after adjusting to return later, and practice rotating on different time frames to see how patterns shift. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort on long trading sessions. I wear them while staring at rotated charts, and they keep my feet happy during long analysis. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Rotate individual drawings or indicators without affecting the whole chart for clearer analysis, and save templates to keep a consistent rotated view across layouts. Use grid snapping and alignment helpers to match angles to trend lines or channels precisely. Remember reset commands to revert instantly if a rotation makes the chart hard to read, and test rotations on demo layouts before applying them to active setups for confident workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.